Hey guys, my name's Catherine, and I was going through this hive just a moment ago, and this hive had lost their queen. I'd been checking on them about 2 weeks ago, and they had new queen cells that they were building. So I wanted to show you what a queen cell looks like and what it looks like once she's hatched out, because the queens have hatched out into this hive. This right here, so you see that peanut looking shape. That is a queen cell, and see how they've chewed it open and out? There is no longer a queen being reared in that cell. Same thing with this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So we've got plenty of candidates for the queen. That is what I wanted to show you guys today. I don't have any eggs in this hive yet, so she hasn't started laying, but she may have already been on a mating flight. We shall have to see. More updates later, and remember to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye!